In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark your favorite websites in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready to use. Once Chrome is on screen, go to the website that you want to save as a bookmark. You can do that by typing the website address into the URL bar at the top of the browser, or by opening a page you already have in front of you. When the page has loaded, look to the right side of the URL bar. You will see a star icon there. This star is the bookmark button in Google Chrome. It is designed to let you quickly save the page you are currently viewing. Now press the star logo on the right side of the URL bar. As soon as you click it, Chrome will save that page as a bookmark. In most cases, a small pop-up will appear to confirm that the bookmark has been added. You may also see options to rename the bookmark or choose where to save it, but the main action is simply clicking the star to bookmark the site. This is helpful for pages you visit regularly, such as news sites, learning platforms, video websites, or any page you want to return to later. Using bookmarks can save time and make your browsing experience more organized. If you want to check whether the bookmark worked, look at the star icon again. It will usually appear filled in, which tells you the page has been saved. You may also be able to find the bookmarked page in your bookmarks bar or bookmarks menu, depending on how your Chrome browser is set up. That covers everything you need to know.